Welcome to Stride University. Today we're going to be going over a special type of product variant that doesn't change the inventory levels. It's kind of like a description. So what we're going to do is we're going to come on in here to our inventory tab. If we can get my internet to work right, and we'll hit the products page, and then I'm just going to create a new product, and I'm just going to call this design. I'm going to set this as we could call it a service, and you could call it a consumable as well. And this is kind of my thought behind this is to show you what you could do with your attributes and variants to have like a custom design made, or maybe someone is going to purchase if we go to our a mug and they want a custom design on it or a custom font that they want to use to write. We could come in here and our attribute, we're going to call this and maybe we'll just call this design. And I'm going to create and edit that. We want to make sure and create and edit, or else it doesn't allow you to configure it. So the attribute name is design, and we're going to go to never, because this will make it so that it doesn't create additional variants that are inventory. So you won't have a different amount. If you have instantly, what happens when you select instantly is this becomes like another product. So I think of that as like shirt size or shirt color. You could have a red shirt and a blue shirt, and you'd have inventory levels for red and blue. The never option doesn't create a new variant. It just kind of is a new descriptor. So we're going to come in here. I'm going to add a value, and maybe this is we'll go lazy Q, and we'll add another line. Maybe this one is swirly. Wow, if I could spell. Swirly, twirly. This one is straight laced, and so on. You can have as many of these as you want. And I'm going to go ahead and just save and close that, and then I'm going to select these different values, and I can keep adding them as I want. So now I'm going to go ahead and categorize that, and we can set our price if we wanted to, or our unit of measures. This isn't really about that. I just want to show you what that would look like if we go to the website or on a sales order. Now they can choose, oh, okay, like I want a swirly twirly or a straight laced or a lazy Q, and they can go ahead and switch between those. Or if we go to sales and we make a new quotation, we could select this here, and then it's going to pop up and say, well, which one are you using on this? Which design are you using on this sales order? So a lot of our customers, if they're in the quilting industry, this might be like if you're doing long arm quilting, maybe you have the pattern, like quilt pattern, so that you can just put that on the sales order for people to remember. And you can even set that as a $0 price item. It's just a descriptor at that point. So that's how it's done. And again, these aren't going to be inventoried. They're just more descriptors at this point. So as always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. This is the variant and attributes on a never attribute, a never variant creation mode attribute. So thanks.